This is the elevator at Lord & Taylor, Westfield Garden Plaza, Paramus, New Jersey. Look at this. It's an aero elevator and it could have been interesting. Oh, I was right. I'm going to end the tour at 2 because I need to find the restroom. Okay. Schindler. It's got a call cancel. Now listen to this motor before we're going to end it at 2. Mystery floor 2. 500 pounds, and this one does it does have a phone inside, ADA compliant with that rear lock. I'm gonna leave it parked at 2. It does have the vintage fountain though. No bell, but it's the door closed. That's it.